Did you know that being healthy from the inside out is actually very simple and easy? In this video, you will learn 5 areas to focus on for true health, and if you prioritize them, it will lead to true happiness and wellness. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokuchi Life. I am Mana and here we explore how to live beautifully and elegantly from the inside out. If you'd love to become the most goddess version of yourself, please subscribe and join our best community. Let's start today's video by reminding you that our life is the most precious temporary gift from the universe, and our body is the only vehicle or machine we have in this lifetime. Being healthy inside out is not just about what we eat and what kind of nutrition we take in. Being healthy is all about true self-love, with consistent development of self-awareness, intention, and discipline for what we do with our body every single day. As you know, these are also key traits of true beauty and elegance. So let me introduce you to 5 areas that will guide you towards true lasting health. I firmly believe we can learn so much about true health from nature and wild animals. Every living thing, whether flowers, fruits, animals, and us ladies, is designed to keep moving and flowing. Yet as we grow, we learn to sit still all day and then wonder why we feel so tired or unmotivated. Do you consciously move your body? If you are not a big fan of working out or exercising, this video is perfect for you. Even starting with simple stretching and deep breathing can be life-changing. This graceful arm movement is an elegant place to start. The first area to master ultimate true health with beauty and elegance is to move every single day. How many of us ladies know deep down that we need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially between from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., but still find it difficult and reach for our phones before sleep? When you get good sleep, you will feel the difference the next morning, don't you? Your skin glows and you feel so energized. Sleep is a time for your body and brain to refresh and create new beautiful cells. For the long-term ultimate health, let's prioritize our sleeping. If we want to wake up early and feel elegant, this video is also perfect for you. The second area to master ultimate true health with beauty and elegance is to get enough sleep every single day. This is an essential part of ultimate true health. Often we've learned how to think and believe through systems, whether it's school, culture, or society, that actually don't serve us. And I believe that we need to unprogram ourselves daily. When we were born, we were full of joy and excitement. But as we grow, the external world, whether it's people or the systems, start to shape our thoughts and beliefs. And here is a fact. Our brains are not designed to be happy. They are programmed for survival, which is why we often tend to become negative if we don't manage and train our minds. To change your mindset, you can always ask yourself, how do I think about myself? And how do I think about my life? These are the two most important questions you can ask in your life. Make sure the answers come from your truth, which is always loving, beautiful, and elegant. Life is all about how you perceive, think, and believe about anything in your life. So let's elegantly manage our minds to see more beauty, love, and gratitude every single day. The third area to master ultimate true health with beauty and elegance is to cultivate an elegant mindset. In today's world, we are exposed to toxins and chemicals everywhere, from all the unnatural things such as digitals and plastic to unclean air, water, and soil. So even with daily exercise, sleep, and a beautiful mindset, regular detoxing is a must. Seasonal fasting is especially powerful. It is said that fasting can cure all. I did a 3-day water fast, and if we are interested, please check this video. Ultimate true health is not what we take, but what we actually get rid of, not only from our bodies, but also from our minds, such as negativity and stress. Let's continue to detox both physically and mentally, and focus on your vision and what is truly essential in your life. Simplifying and beautifying your life will always make you so fulfilled. The first area to master ultimate true health with beauty and elegance is to keep detoxing. Finally, let's talk about the food and what to eat for ultimate true health. It is actually not what to eat, but to stop eating or doing the things that are causing the health issue. What we all want to do is heal from the core. Raw fruits and vegetables are living foods, and this is how we are naturally designed to eat. Because they are living foods, they will make us glow and radiant from the inside out. Here is a beautiful example. If you bake an apple and plant it in the ground, it won't grow, but a raw fresh apple will. It's the same with us. When we eat close to nature, we thrive. When we are close to nature, we will be so healthy. Let's keep unprogramming ourselves from school, culture, or society norms, and back to our true selves and shine the brightest. The final area to master ultimate true health with beauty and elegance is to have a fresh, living foods. I truly believe that we are here to create, not consume. Have you ever felt tired after consuming too much? Not only food, but also digitals or other people's opinions that don't resonate with you? As humans, we are designed to create. The only difference between beautiful animals and us ladies is that we have hands. Whether it's helping animals, designing, dancing, sewing, drawing, or anything, creativity is innate. The world is always waiting for your special, unique gifts and talents. If you want to dive deeper into your true, special, unique gifts and talents, please check out the best course, How to Be Your True Self, from this QR code or link in the description box. True health is all about long-term investment, especially how you think and what to eat intentionally with exercise, rest, and creating with true self-expression of passion and love. It is said that people are always looking for instant, easy, quick fixes and want to get the magic pill when it comes to especially for health. But as ladies, let's not look at the symptoms, but cure from the core and invest in these 5 areas for lasting health. It's actually very simple and easy, isn't it? If you want to learn more and dive deeper into true health, beauty, and elegance, please watch other videos and stay excited for future videos as well. And if you want to have crystal clear vision, purpose, passion, or mission in your life, How to Be Your True Self course is always perfect for you. What is the best area you want to focus on next year in 2025? Please share your comments below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I always love you and appreciate you. Until next time, stay beautiful and have a lovely day, my goddess friend.